Imagine a perfect circle. You know its equation. X squared plus y squared equals 25. Simple enough. But what if I asked for the slope of the curve at any given point? Your first instinct might be to solve for y, but that gives you a messy plus or minus square root. It's not a clean function. So how do you find its rate of change, its derivative? This is where calculus offers a beautiful shortcut: implicit differentiation. Instead of wrestling the equation into a form that fits our rules, we work with it as is. We differentiate both sides with respect to x, but here's the crucial move. We treat y not just as a variable, but as a hidden function of x. So when we differentiate x squared, we get 2x. But when we differentiate y squared, the chain rule kicks in. We get 2y, but we must multiply it by y's own derivative, dy by dx. The derivative of the constant 25 is just 0. A quick algebraic shuffle later, and we find that dy by dx equals negative x over y. The slope at any point depends on both its coordinates, which makes perfect sense for a circle. But this elegant trick isn't just for static shapes on a graph. It's the key to solving related rates problems, understanding how different rates of change are connected in a dynamic world. Picture a 10-meter ladder leaning against a wall. The bottom slides away from the wall at 1 meter per second. How fast is the top sliding down? The ladder, wall, and ground form a right triangle, linked by the Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus y squared equals 100. By differentiating this entire relationship with respect to time, we can link the speed of the ladder's base to the speed of its top. When the base is 6 meters out, we can calculate that the top is sliding down at exactly 3/4 of a meter per second. From the slope of a circle to the speed of a falling ladder, implicit differentiation connects static equations to moving realities, revealing the hidden rates of change that link everything together.